Finally back at the outlets. Out at Watts. Look, they got some interesting stuff on the aisles. Wow, they must have had a crazy busy weekend because I haven't seen that in forever, and it's only 20% off. And of course, when I come here, I'm always checking for refurbs. I don't see that many refurbs. I don't see that many shoes at all, to be honest. Man, Zagama Trail 2s, $90. Air Max DN8s, $100. That's $80 after discount. LeBron Next Gens, $75. I guess this waves go for $85. Luka 3s, $65. City Boots, $165 full retail. These are the Jordan City Boots. Kind of interesting. Not necessarily my style, but yeah, they're here. Got some LeBron 22s right here, go for $90. Got some running shoes right here. Nike Zoom Structure. Oh, this is just structures. Yeah, a little more stability. It has a little plate on the side or plastic piece on the side for stability. Damn, these go for $165. Crazy. Was wondering if I should come here, Camarillo today. Damn, I should have chosen Camarillo, it looks like. Checking the women's bigger sizes. Pegasus right here, 73. Is this another Pegasus Easy on 145? Oh, they got one of these. Pegasus premiums right here, but no price tag. So retail minus 20. Got some Dunks right here, going for 90. Metcon 75. V2K runners 70. I think that's about it for bigger sizes. Sale a little bit better on the apparel, 30% off clearance apparel. But do they have anything other than just t-shirts? Ooh, they still have this Mamba hoodie. What's the price of this thing? Small, going for for $60, 30% off of that, so that's what, 42. Strive for Greatness. LeBron, is it long sleeve t-shirt? LeBron's been balling, right? He's been doing really good. $25. Actually taking a back seat, pretty much like he should, obviously. $45. Luka been just balling out of his mind. Oh, this is kind of interesting. NBA hoodie. It is super thin. $100 for this thing. I'm like, why are they using an impact driver? But I think they're fixing the door or something. But yeah, $175. $175. Is this like an official jersey? Not even official, but like a really nice one. Holy crap. Like a premium jersey. Double XL. Niners jacket. Yeah, $2. So $2. Extra fluffy. It's like a hoodie? Yeah, not a shirt, but hoodie. I don't know, but no price tag. Blink jersey right here. Is this a women's? It's a men's, $60. Trojans hoodie right here, $110. Random LSU shirt, probably a return. There's a medium, $50. All right, we're knocking out the back wall or whatever they have in the back wall. Crazy, because just last week we had 40% off and now 20. This is a size 12 right here, $170. Crazy how much 1 week makes a big difference. $145 off of these. The Zoom Freaks, $115. Guess they didn't get like some shipments or something. That's usually what that means. $270 for the Vaporfly Next Percents. Continue with the smaller size. Got some books right here, 8.5, $120. ADs, $120. We've been seeing these for cheap at Ross. Been seeing all kinds of Cortez at Ross lately too. These are men's 8. Yeah, these are going for $95. And it looks like they don't have that much. That's why the prices do seem to be a little bit higher. Last thing they want to do is sell stuff for really cheap and then the shelves be totally empty. $130 for the Tatums. All right, 11 and above over here. Got Monarchs right here. They should go for $105. What the hell? Never seen them that expensive. Zion 3s right here. Go for $75. They are gently worn. Seeing a lot of repeats. These are all 11s. We saw these, a ton of these. Witnesses. Got full force right here. $65 for these. $65.20 off. Nice 12, $100. $120 for the KDs. It's a good time to chill on the outlets for a bit. $100. Finally starting to see extended size pricing, but still not that low. $100 for the LeBron 22s. Pre-Montreals, I think it's like some old school stuff. Yeah, $45. Another one of these. Full Force is $48, slightly imperfect. And then to be honest, really not much bigger sizes right here. Crazy because a couple days ago it was just super hot. Now it's kind of cool and AC's on full blast. I'm wearing a tank top as cold as that. What the hell is this? Like, how many people are buying this? 45? Oh, these are swim trunks. Got some tights right here. Compression pants out there, $30. Double XL sweats, $55. That is dry fit. All kinds of shorts and sweats all mixed together. $60. These are like so tough to match. I think this one's mostly t-shirts and like graphic tees. I don't know how many guys are like walking around with t-shirts like that. I don't know. That's not too bad. But like with stuff like that, I'm like, man, they should be paying us like sponsorships and stuff. Look at that. That's crazy, dude. Just wearing their logo. But yeah, it's just mostly t-shirts here. 30% off. This one's $55? What the hell? It's a Caitlin Clark one, right? Got hoodies right here. Jordan hoodies, $60. Get an extra 30% off. Have this Jumpman one, right? Oh, this is a jacket. It's a jacket, $80 for these, 30 off. And then we saw these earlier. Check in the rest to see if there's anything interesting. This is the All-Star Weekend, Jordan 1, 20% off. I was like, I know they ain't got these on sale. And then they do got these bad boys right here as well. Oh, I thought this was sweet. It's like buck leather and crack leather. I can't stand that crack leather, but it is 20% off, $210. I was wondering if they would have those 81-point ones. Not seen them. Do see these. What are these called? I forgot what these are called. The GT Futures right here, 20% off, so that's $40 off. Ja 3s on sale, and then the Kobe Elite 9s. Oh, and the Year of the Mamba is on sale. I don't know if they have multiple pairs or not, but yeah, 20% off, so that's $40 off. All right, let's knock out the rest of the aisles. Starting over here. This whole entire row, it's all freaking non-signature J's. And I guess they don't have the University Blue Jordan 1 highs over here. You do got these mids. The mids ain't bad, like material-wise. Got these mids for $100 as well. Jordan 4 RMs in multiple colorways. Fourth one right here, like a mocha one. Jordan franchise slides, what the heck? KD 18s. Got some book ones right here. Then got a bunch of the budget signatures right here. More LeBron witnesses on this side. Got some dunks, Flight Legacies. Got a couple of these Air Max 2017s facing the wrong way. And I think that's about it. This is the running shoes over here. Nothing really premium. All right, let's knock out the women's section where I do see some Vomeros right here. Vomero 18s. So freaking comfortable. These are going for $135. Seen more and more of those, which is definitely a good thing. Got some Alpha Flies right here. These are size 9 women's. And yeah, off of 200, 20% off of 200. And the retail on these, it is $295. Got some dunks right here. Go for $90. They don't have the craziest deals overall, but they still got some decent finds. $135 for the Air Max DN8s. 9.5. What are these? A1s. These colors are wild. So much going on with these right here. But yeah, $115. That is retail. Pegasus right here. $55 for those. Crazy cheap. Got Forces. Okay. Obies. They threw these in the women's section. That is hilarious. $160. That's a 7.5 men's, size 9 women's. That's not bad, especially with the 20 off. All right, let's knock out the aisles and then stop by next door. Free Metcons right here for those of you gym peeps. Oh, these forces going for way cheap. Look at that. Wow. I got some Jordans, some SEs, another pair of mids. And you might be able to get 20% off because it does end in a 9.7. Got some SEs, some gold ones right here. And then dunks, and dunks. I think that's about it. That's about it for the women's. I was about to wrap it up, but look at this. Look at this, a duffel bag. It's like a Jordan duffel bag right here, and it's $30 freaking, dude. $30. It's like a smaller duffel bag. Sometimes you don't need a huge one. That's actually pretty freaking dope. And then is this a bigger one? Yeah, bigger duffel bag right here. Oh, this is, oh, okay. It's normally $60, and they got it on sale for $35. So that's not bad. They're kind of not so fat though. It's better than the one I have at home. The one I have at home feels so cheap. I have a Nike one at home, and it feels so freaking cheap. But yeah, $40 for these backpacks. Normally $110.60 for that one, and yeah, this is normally $80. Oh, and I missed this little section right here. Look, got this T-shirt, $20 for some Jordan artwork. This is small though. It is a small, $20, 30 off, $20, and then got stuff right here. Got hoodie right here, go for $70. You get 30 off. Oh, this is a Caitlin Clark one. Oh, okay. Got one of these right next door. And of course, we're gonna start with the men's sneakers. Damn, this thing goes quite a bit. Damn. Oh snap! They got even more over here. Actually, been looking for these weightlifting belts. This is a Nike one. Let's see. They have different sizes. The only ones I've seen have been larges, and they're a little too big for me. This is a medium. This one's a large. Alright, so I tried on a large. I tried on a medium. The medium is too small. The large is too big. What the F, dude? What the F, man? They have weight vests. These are kind of cool. They're the cheapo ones with sand in them. They have a 12-pound one right here. 25. A 30-pound one right here. The really good ones, they have like plates. They have ones that also have like metal, like, I don't know, metal pellet looking things. I don't know what, like little ones. They have ones with big plates, and they have like ones with small plates. But yeah, $45 for that one. I was looking for a foam bar cushion thingy. I don't see any. Dang it. I'm gonna have to just order one on Amazon. Alright, they got workout stuff here. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to order it on Amazon. Mother lover. I still got a ton of these clippers. Crocs right here, $30. Reeboks right here. Are these the nylons? Nylons, got some suede on it. $20, smaller size. City shoes right here, 8.5, $50, too much. By the way, my video timing has been way off when I schedule them and stuff. Like, we'll be back on track this upcoming week. When y'all watch this, I won't be in Vegas yet. I'm gonna be in Vegas midweek this week, which I've never been to Vegas during the week, so I'm kind of curious. I'm not gonna be able to make videos, you guys, because going there to meet up with some homies, and yeah, I can't get there in the morning. Usually I go in the morning and get videos for you guys, but yeah, can't really do that because I don't want to take an extra day off work. $70 for these. Solomon, don't really see these too often. Dang, got alarms going on like crazy. I'm gonna go head out after work on Tuesday, so I really don't want to take an extra day off. So the security guys just grabbed them. I was like, it's such a pain to find which one. Size 10 right here. These actually look pretty decent. Kind of like these. Yeah, $40 for these Adidas. Which ones are these? The SL72s. The material kind of threw me off. Got another pair of these. The alarm earlier, the one he took away. They were some KDs. Some KD 70 for these. Something boost. What are these, like solar boosters? I don't know what the hell these are, but got these bad boys. Explore boost. Explore boost? I don't know. But I don't know the price either. I don't know. Size 12 or something. $55 for the Zoom Freaks. Ooh, are these the Anikis? The Marathons. Got some yellowing in the boost, which does happen. Boost always turns a little yellow, so that's why I like it when they paint them. They call it the joggets. These were like the marathons. What the hell are they talking about? The Nikis, 59.23s, whatever, $40. They are comfy as hell, but they have a really big heel to toe drop. Huge sizes right here. Nothing too much. Apparel section do got This little running jacket right here, $30. Extra small, so they got some jerseys. I feel like we've seen this team quite a lot. Atlanta United, $30 for those. Who's this? Seattle? This is a Seattle. 20 bucks. I don't even know what team they are. The Screamers? The Supersonic? I don't know. Charlotte one right here. These are all extra small. Got these still. These Fanatics jerseys going for 30. Got these in multiple teams, multiple sizes. This is a medium. I feel like it's those two teams though. It's always the same teams, the Bruins and then the St. Louis Blues. Got one of these in a large right here for 30. And another one right here. Dang, okay. So a bunch of soccer jerseys. All right, let's knock out the women's sizes. What are these? Some Tempo, Nike Tempo. These are some soccer shoes, $30 for indoor soccer shoes. Hoka, One, Mafate Speed 2s. I think these are men's, huh? I don't know, but they got these. These are normally what, 90, 100? $90. Got some Cortez right here going for 50. Interesting looking Converse right here. Chuck 70s, dude. Chuck 70s. I guess they're 30 bucks. All right, I think that's about it. Nothing too crazy. I see the Arukus right there, but I think that's about it. Well, it's gonna hit up like a ton of Nike outlets. I don't know. 20% off. I don't know. But we got more coming. All right, we're back at the Citadel. And here we got 30% off clearance apparel. We got 30% off the back wall on like Nike community store. What? We do got a New Balance outlet, and they do have 50% off yellow tagged items. Hell yeah. Got some. This is what I'm talking about right here. Look at this. Oh my goodness, look at this. Super Comp Elite V5s. This is the latest and greatest.